actually, I am talking about this one where the sir has done the side seam. There also we have one panel there. Yeah, there. Where sir has
That's
told
what I said. There is 2 panels in
So
the
there
blouse.
is a panel over here also, right?
just mark. Yeah, we can
So
just
we can
mark.
just mark it. No problem.
That's all. Yeah, that's
Okay. Once dart is secured, darts are secured. You can cut your panels in how many pieces you want. Nothing to be worried. Okay. One more thing, in order to make it more fitter, that I feel like that, see, this part of dart should also be closed. If you don't want to disturb this, you have to measure this area and you have to mark it over here and you have to remove it. Okay.
okay. So you're manipulating. We can manipulate that dart wherever
Yeah,
we
yeah, we
want.
can shift that dart as well, like this. So
Just that excess fabric we are just removing.